Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to link slides in PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation. You can see the available slides. Now select the object from which you will link. You will go to the Insert menu and there, you will click on Link. Now choose the option, Place in this document. Select the slide to link, click on OK. After this, when you move the mouse over the element, you must press the Control key and click to go to the linked slide. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.